Verse 8. We feel the pain of the loss of a husband, a father, grandfather, a friend, a man.
Hello guys, ito yung forest lawn. Libingan ito. Ka-attend kami ngayon ng libing ng kapitbahay namin. Filipino friend. Yan o. Ganito ang libing sa Amerika. Libingan.
Oo, baba na kayo. Asan ko parking ito? Sige ba?
And I have a what is it? I have a dad food. My dad food.
Hmm?
Wow, that's so we can catch. Can you catch? They don't come back.
So ladies and gentlemen, in just a few moments we're going to be passing out some flowers. We're going to be doing the first portion of the interment process. We're going to be lowering his casket into the vault here. Our crew will be here in the next 15 minutes to lower the vault into the stage. Oh, here. Thank you. You almost got attacked. I was like, oh no.
October nandun ako nilibisita ng kapatid ko sa Manila. Kaya bumalik na ako.
What about the ones where they were coming to? Oh, that's so beautiful. Yeah.
Sa Fort of Liberty.
Oh, that's so pretty. Can you send that to me? I'm posting it. I know. I saw him. I saw that. I was like, oh my god, that's what it is. So, yeah, send it right now.
Hello, pauwi na kami.
Sige.
Ha?
Sama ka doon sa ano.
Oh, pauwi na kami. Pupunta kami ngayon sa pagkatapos ng libing may reception. Pupunta kami ngayon sa reception.
Wala ka lang dito sa mga kotse.
Ayan nga. Hindi na kukunan. Nagbibideo ako.
Ito lang. Parang ano, kailan lang eh.
1 year ano? 2022 dati October.
Yung pusa na binibigay sa akin, hindi ko pa nakuha.
Yun nga, binibigay niya. Yung problema, saan natin dadalhin yung pusa? Bawal,
Hindi kasi-
bawal dun sa ano.
Hindi kasi pag kinuha natin, babalik din sa kanila, kaya doon maglalaro din.
Pag nagbiyaw. Takpan mo ng bibig.